Okay, this is how I lost basically $600 today. Pretty big losing day, as y'all say, but it's actually not bad. I took two L's. The second one was pretty small, and I'll go over right now what I took. So coming into the market, I was actually pretty bearish. We've been bullish for so long. Even though like in the past we did inverse bullish gaps and still came up, I just felt so, I don't know why. I felt so confident that we were gonna push lower. Like it was just something about it, and like we just been selling off equal highs, like sell off. Like we've been so overextended, and now like as you can see, we're actually going down a little bit. So yeah, coming in, I was bullish. I'm bearish, like I said. Just inversing all these gaps, respecting this big gap overall, respecting gaps like this 15-minute up here, like just stuff like that. Okay, so I was bearish coming in. I need to slow down in my talking, bro. Okay, here's my first trade. First trade, it wasn't the best. It was a B plus setup, but I still loved it, and it still played out overall. I just got stopped out. Wasn't like the best stop loss, I guess you can say. As you can see, my first trade coming in market open was like right here, really choppy. Um, Came down, sold off, sold off, sold off, swept. I think London coming in. Yeah, we swept London, Asia, London and Asia, and then ES eventually caught up to. Um, Swept that. Came up, and then my first trade was, I think it was off this 5 minute. If I'm being, yeah, off this 5 minute right here. I want to say. Let me see my executions, bro. I'll show you the executions too, so you know I'm not lying. I think it was before we even hit this. No, no, no. Fuck. I don't remember, but it was short. I believe off this gap. Um, Even though we had a 15-minute rested below, we were kind of reacting well already. Damn, I want to know when this. Let me see. Let me go on a small time frame. Yes, it was right here before we even tapped that 15-minute, which is not what I should have done. But at the moment, I liked it. But if I'm being honest, it wasn't my best. Like, it wasn't the best entry. I took it off a 30-second like displacement, kind of. Yeah, as you can see, we displaced like right here, even though it was like some little bottomless. Like displacement. TP was right here. Stop was above this little eternal. Like not the best targets because we had this unfilled 15-minute. I wanted us. I knew it deep down. I wanted us to take that. I got stopped out of this pretty quick. Not the best trade. I know. I knew deep down. So maybe I could have avoided that, but I did lose. Lost for 380. Like not the biggest loss because I'm like sizing up to like a mini basically. That was the first trade. Second trade, I know. I'll have to show this execution. This trade was textbook, and I loved it, and it played out as you can see. Um, it was off. Since I was really bearish, I want us to come hit some higher time frame gap. We barely tapped that 15-minute. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Was waiting for like the highest time frame inverse. We didn't have a 3 minute. We didn't have a 2 minute, and the highest time frame was that 1 minute. So we created a 1 minute bullish. Came down, inversed it. I took it off this candle. I think it was like at 8, like 17. Yes, yes, 17 right here. Took it. Boom. Stop above this high. Yes, big stop even though I'm already down 380, but I had confidence, and it's like literally like my setup, A plus for me, or even A, but to me it was A plus. Came up, was really chopping, didn't want to go lower. Boom, boom, boom. Came up, just still stuck to it. Stop was right here. Created an eternal SMT. At the time, if I could find it. Let's see what the time frame. Yes, we created a little. ES actually took this eternal, but NQ didn't. It was about to get stopped out, as you can see right here. Held that well, came down, came down. And as we took this is like a little eternal low. I wanted to reduce some risk. I don't know what time frame it is, but I could tell you it's like a little small eternal, not like a strong one, but it's a little eternal just to reduce some risk. And I reduced my risk to right here. And as you can see, let's stretch this out. As you can see, maybe it wasn't the best decision. I just wanted to reduce some risk because I was already down a lot. Um, it wasn't that bad. I should have maybe kept it, but it's okay. Like Lily, it's okay, bro. It's fine. Um, Reduce my risk as we took this. I was gonna go break even as we came all the way back up and hit this again, but we never did. So I just stuck to that small loss, reduce some risk, and then got wigged out, y'all. Wigged out, bro. Wigged out, bro. It's painful, but at the time, like I was good. Like my emotion's good right now. I've been not winning, but doing pretty good, like not losing. So to lose one, I gotta be able to accept the loss. Like it's fine, bro. And it played out after, like it's a good loss, you know? So that's pretty good. I'm really, really proud of that. My bias was short bias. Stopped up by the wig to come hit TP. It's okay. But that's pretty much the recap. Oh yeah. And then from yesterday, I'll just show y'all right now. Y'all can look at my stats. It's fine. Um, yes, this is how it's looking. I went break even yesterday. It was a really choppy day. If you know, bro, you know. There's no reason to recap that bullshit, bro. That was like crazy ass, bro. It was basically like this trade. I was in this trade for a long time, bro. Like for almost an hour, like basically an hour. Like it's been hella choppy lately, but this is an A plus setup in my book. Bearish, tapped. Like it was beautiful. Maybe I gotta take notes. Maybe I should have just kept my targets, like But we did come all the way down here to like a little eternal. Like it's good to reduce some risk, Maybe I should have kept it like right here or something. But at the time, it felt good in my hands. Like at the time, like it's okay. Like something, I'm fine with it. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much how it went. I'm gonna keep this short and simple. We're about to come hit these lows now. Beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna move on. Good loss day. It played out. My bias was right. That's a green day in my book. Following my plan, taking my setups. That first trade, no. I'm gonna be completely honest. Like it wasn't. I didn't get no inverse. I did a change the state, which I usually don't do. Damn, we're about to sweep this. But yeah, took my setups. Kinda. The second one was a banger. That loss was a banger. Took my setups. My bias was right, so that's a green day. You got to count your green days when it comes to that. Not just losing and winning. Let's say it's a good loss. That's a green day in the book. Count it as that, bro. That's how you should be counting your winning and green days. Winning and green days. Winning and losing days. Sorry. Caffeine got me tripping. But yeah, it's pretty much the recap. I'm gonna end it right there. Pretty simple. Um, yeah, we'll just attack the day tomorrow. I'll see y'all. Y'all have a blessed day, blessed rest of your week.